सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम, उम्मीदों के पथ पर घर से चले हम, सपनों को बस्ते में रख कर चले हम।
Good morning. I want to show you a simple musical instrument. These are all glass bowls. Each bowl has some water in it. This glass bowl is full of water. Each bowl has very little water in it. Now I will tap to each bowl gently with this spoon. Did you hear that? What a musical sound!